Welcome back to another video, and it is a really nice day outside today, and as you can tell by the title, I am lowering the Trailblazer SS today. So let's move it out. I never know what to say at the end of the it's always the first clip. I never know what to say, but yeah, I'm pulling it out. I'm gonna keep it. I'm not even gonna cut it out. Like I don't cut much stuff out of my videos. I want to keep it genuine. So me is that's not English. I'm lowering the Trailblazer SS today. So let's pull it out. It was very difficult because my dad was working on this car last night. He finished it really late, but since he finished it really late, he didn't put all the tools away. So everything was just, the hood was open, everything was out. So put everything on the table, moved everything. So now I can move this out, so I can put this right in the middle and actually change out the suspension. And I'm doing the rear suspension specifically right now. I'm not doing the front yet, but right now I'm gonna do the rear. So I gotta move this over there, and yeah, I got it. I know what to do. That car left a big old mess. I'm gonna try and clean this up as best as possible. But now we're gonna get a startup of the Trailblazer. If you don't know, Trailblazer straight piped. So I hear you. Yeah, on this side. Yeah. You can take it out. So basically, what happened was we had to do it all over again because it was a little too high for our liking. So we did it all over again. Took off more spacers. Now the back's really high. What are you doing? The back's really high.
Front looks good.
Yeah. The front looks fine, it's just the back. The back's really high.
Back side a little bit.
It looks clean on camera. Well, that's it for today's video. We lowered it today, and actually tomorrow we're going to take it to a car meet. It's an Impala car meet. We're not taking the Impala because you don't have insurance on it, but we're taking the Trailblazers. So I don't know if you saw the other video where it was the red Trailblazer, ours, and then a buddy of ours with the black Trailblazer. So we're going out again, both of us tomorrow, I think, most likely. Yeah. But so if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss an upload, right? Yeah. We're just doing minor tweaks here and there, but other than that, I think it's fine. It lowered a lot. It looks really nice. I like how it looks. Well, so does everybody else, my dad, my mom. Everybody likes how it looks. But with that being said, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.